Kicks YouTube channel, Jordan release day. Let's go. Mall just about to open. Apparently they have a release at one of the Pro Images for some hats. I'm pretty sure they have a raffle, but just to see if they got any early pairs or something. Let's go check it out. So this is what they have. They got, is it preschool, toddler, and infants. So that is what it looks like. So do got these right here.
Just certain sizes.
Oh, they do have certain sizes. They do have certain sizes. So yeah, they always get extras. That's why I tell you guys go out on release day. So they do have a few men's. They don't have it out here, but they do have a few men's. Customers are asking, and customers are picking up their reserve pairs as well. So they're checking for a size 10 for one of the customers over there to see if they have one, an extra one for him. Let's go check out JD, because sometimes they get extras. I've seen JD get extra pairs all the time, so see what's going on here. They do have a raffle for these, but like I said, sometimes they get extra pairs, so let's go see what's up. And these are it. Look, they do got them. They got them. So yeah, these sold out quick as hell online at most places, so dope that they do have them. Wondering if I should buy them here to up my chances for some Kobe's. I don't know if JD's getting a bunch or if they're getting some. I don't know, but these are nice. Does have leather all along the upper, as well as these straps for the laces right there. I do love that because you don't have to worry about it yellowing and stuff like that. The bottom right there will yellow eventually, but these look fire as hell. One of the dopest 11s, obviously the dopest 11 this year, and these are just fire. They do have them. Man, these are dope, dude. And we'll talk about this at the end, but this is a great release for sneakerheads because resale's not high on them, and they're just dope. So you know, that's what's up. So I did grab one on sneakers. Wonder if I should just grab one right now, just so I could do a review. I'm also gonna try to find one at the outlets, and you know, if I end up finding one, I may or may not return the one that I get. But yeah, I'm thinking about it. I don't know, definitely an interesting time for sneakerheads, and it's a good time to go bargain shopping. So you know, I'm wondering if I should do that. Quick check of this Foot Locker. I know they do reservations. I've never seen these open. Like, what are they gonna put in there? What are they gonna put? And then I think they got extra pairs here too. They got them sitting around right here. That's not bad, not bad. Great time for sneakerheads, man. Shout out to all the homies that I have seen. Appreciate y'all saying what's up. And man, I did check online, because you can check online. Because remember, everything is 20% off. All the sale items are 20% off. So it's 20% off. So that's what, $45 plus tax. So 50 as opposed to 80. What are these? 85 plus tax, which is over 90. Yeah, they only have a size 10 here. They don't have a size 11. I do want this one. I did get the bread colorway. It's kind of like a patent bread type of one. I did get that one. I don't have this one though. And like I said, I want all the colors, dude. I want all the colors. Maybe even this one eventually, if it goes down. I've been checking the refurbished website, so we'll see. But I've been trying to find these heavily discounted. I did find a size 10. I'm gonna give that to one of the nephews because yeah, I need a size 11. I need a size 11, even a size 12 if I can find it cheap enough. Those the Grinches? Do they have the Grinches? Not the Grinches I'm looking for, but I think these are the Grinches. The Forum Grinches. I thought it actually had a picture of a Grinch. Oh, it's in the inside. It's in the insole right there. You can see behind their sticker right there. But $120 for these. Everybody coming out with Grinch stuff now. They got some hemp gazelles. Definitely did not see that coming. Hemp gazelles. That's interesting. Hemp is supposed to be a super strong fiber. But yeah, that's definitely interesting. Does have all that recycled stuff on it. $140 for that. That's dope. Is that some sort of collab with somebody? Andre Sars. I don't know. But yeah, they got those right there going for $80. Remember, you do get an extra 20% off all the sales items. Here, that Sambas. They're going to be pushing those to be like their next huge hype shoes. Okay. They're not on sale though. Oreo colorway, $110 for these, but remember you do get that extra 20 off. And then 100 for these. So what is that? $80? 80 bucks for Ultra Boost. Okay. More and more sales. These are called the Blasters. The Blast. Who wore these? Was it one of Kemp's shoes? Sean Kemp's? I don't know. I don't remember who wore these. Someone's gonna get mad at me. Pump TZs right here going for $130. Then of course dude got the dope Jordan display right there. One of the newer colorways of the 38s right here. Kind of like a cool gray. Is that a gray or is that a white? I think it's a gray with the black hits on the bottom. It's pretty dope. Already on sale. $150 to get that extra 20 off. Got these mother lovers right here. 20% off of that as well. Those are the white infrareds. Still got the black toes right there. Surprised to see that. Especially in men. Still got the 4s right here. I was talking to the homie Guru Bodega, and we're talking about how in other states, like these are all sold out everywhere and stuff. We're so lucky in LA, man. Yo, if you want full box, really, that's cheaper than what I got mine at the outlet for. You serious? Are you serious? Do I need to grab this one instead? Because this is cheaper than what I found mine at the outlets. Holy crap, I'm trying to remember how much. When did I get mine? I might have to buy it here, and then this is a size 10 right here. Oh man, I might have to return mine at the outlets. I don't like doing that, but so much cheaper here, dude. 20% off of that. Holy crap. If I buy it here, it'll be $20 less, and I will get, let's see what, I'll get a full box. So it'll be 20 bucks less and full box. So yeah, I'm gonna have to grab it here. I'm gonna grab these, return mine to the Nike outlets. Dang it. All right, I am picking one of these up. It's just too cheap. Jordan released it. I'm picking up freaking ones. Let me know in the comment section if would you guys return it? What would you guys do? What would y'all do? Do still got these burgundy bad boys right here? Are these ones on sale? No, not yet. That's surprising. Do you got the OGs right here? Couple of 2s right there, and then 11 low IEs right here. 139.99 for these, and then 13s right here. Oh my goodness, I literally stole these just super duper cheap. I'm gonna go return my ones to Nike. Damn, so happy. All right, we're going back to all the stores that I did hit up. Mall's been open for about an hour now. All right, this mall's been open for about an hour. God dang, they're all gone? They're all gone? Holy crap, extra pairs all gone. Oh, okay, I'm stupid. They're not all gone. They're here, they're here. They put them in their case. Okay, got men's and grade school still. Full family sizing pretty much. Jordan releases right there. Nike basketball over here, and pretty much everything on sale in the Nike basketball section, which is fire. Dude got LeBrons. These are the next gen. These are pretty much 50% off. Yeah, not bad. More of the LeBron 20s right here. This is a cool colorway. Dude got the 21s. Like, I was just talking to one of the homies. We're just talking about how every sneaker just looks like the Kobe's now. They kind of have a similar silhouette, similar shape. Dude got KDs right here. $30 off of these. Got the Trey 10s, or the Trey 510s. The Immortalities on sale, like so many budget options, and even the crazy 8s. Wow, even these old school Kobe's on sale. Okay. More of the Immortalities right here. Dang, they're all getting slashed. Outdoor basketball sneakers, man, y'all need them. Grab these. Jordan 1 highs. Definitely not surprised to see these right here. Definitely not surprised at all. Yeah, because you know, these didn't move at all. Got mids right here on sale as well. All kinds of dunks right here. Man, got pandas up top. Got tons of Air Forces. Dude got the Canary ones right there. Well, at least the Canary knockoffs. Air Max 95s on sale. Pretty much got them on sale everywhere. Air Max 90s also on sale. 97s, just great time to buy sneakers. I know the economy's not great for everybody though, so make sure you guys don't throw it on credit cards, man, because all these savings will go away with that 30% interest. I'm like the old fart now. I was like, man, I remember when credit card interest used to be 10%, like, but yeah, now they're all what, 20 to 30%, which is freaking insane. But yeah, all this stuff on sale, $45. Like is that an army green? Yeah, they're here. Air Max 270. I remember when these just would never be on sale because they were always sold out, man. This was Nike's best-selling shoe like 2-3 years ago. Kind of crazy to hear that. In the women's section, these are some Air Max I've never seen before. Got some texture on the suede right there. These are definitely interesting. Got string. Oh, it goes all along the top. That's definitely interesting because I don't like tying my laces anyway, so that's pretty dope. $140 for that. And of course, Vapor Max Plus is on sale. Got the Vapor Max. Oh, these are the 2023s, right? 2023s already on sale. And then got those down there also on sale. Wow. I got the Vapor Max 2023s here on sale as well. These went on sale last week, so they are always changing their prices. But yeah, these are now on sale. Got this colorway right here, kind of on sale. And then the 2021 Flyknits, yeah, 2021 Flyknits, just $10 more cheaper than that one, or $10 less. And then got another colorway of these bad boys right here too. This is their Jordan release right here. Nothing too crazy stuff that we've seen. Nothing too insane. But that is a nice selection of J's. LeBron 20 Next Gens on sale here as well. $80, man. I'm saying, like, half price from before. Pretty dope. These suede ones right here not on sale yet. Like, I'm such a fan of the suede on these. And then got these hella bright 20s right here with that. Is it a synthetic nylon? Is it just I don't know. What type of material is this? Seems like there's something underneath the fabric on top. I don't know. But $110 for those. The Ken Griffey Juniors, and then Air More Tempos, and then Dunks also going on sale. I think we're gonna see a flurry of Dunks going on sale, especially the highs, and then the lows. I think all this stuff will eventually be on sale, so be patient. One of the better looking Dunks, and I still see people looking for these. I do still see people looking for these. I don't think people on my channel are, like, I wouldn't call them sneakerheads, but just I know the general public still looking for these. T-Mac 3's being given away for $60 freaking dollars. And we saw these. Oh, these are different actually. These are the Lego ones, down to 60 freaking bucks. That's what's up, especially if you have a kid. I don't know what adult would wear these, but yeah, if you have a kid, that's what's up. Especially a kid who's a Pittsburgh Steelers fan. But yeah, I don't know what those are, but those do have full-length boots right there. Pretty comfy, probably. There is an Extreme board shop. Definitely worth checking out because they have Nike SBs there. They get SP Dunks. But we're gonna hit up Champs, and I think we might wrap it up after that. Gotta hit up a few more shops. So kinda gotta wrap things up pretty quick. While I was here, I even edited a video, threw it up online, so I hope you guys were able to catch that. That's kind of why I gotta move a little quicker today. But didn't these sell out during the pandemic? I remember everybody's going crazy over these. I did buy a couple for some family friends and stuff. But yeah, there's that Jordan. That's what they do, man. They make stuff super limited, then they bring out additional pairs later on after the hype dies down, and then regular people get them. So that's what's up. They got some more breads right there. Then got some. They calling these what, Royal Toes? I don't know. These are huge though. $115 for those. And the LeBron's officially on sale everywhere. The LeBron 20 Next Gens. And they got him here too. I didn't even check this place out because Champs ain't been getting releases like that. But yeah, they do got him here. They do got him here. And it's like an hour after release. An hour after the store's opened. Not on sale. Kind of on sale, but not the greatest price. People just don't love the Shacks, apparently. But yeah, they go down. I might grab one more because I do love those. Then the 97's on sale right there. Got some wild looking Prestos right there, $60. Terra Escape version of the 97s. Got a couple more right here. This is the dope one. We've seen that for $100 at a few spots. Got a bunch of 95s right here, as well as an Air Max Plus. And then an Air Max 90 Terra Skip, $70. That's a hell of a price. Super quick stop, because we know the semi-annual clearance sale is coming up, usually right after Christmas. These look familiar. We've seen a million of these. They're going for $85. Y'all been seeing where I've been finding them. No additional sales right now though. This one's probably going to get 150 off. And they got a few things here, but not at the price I'm looking for. They do have a 15 and under section, which is pretty dope. I think these are youth shorts. Maybe not. Maybe not. No, these are, holy cow, these are Magic shorts down to $11. $11 for Magic shorts. If you know anybody that's a Magic fan, Orlando Magic. Holy cow, Dodger shirts, $15 right here. All these I think are, oh, Ram shirts for $15, of course. Packers women's shirts right here under $15. Yeah, man, that's pretty much about it. The massage dudes right there, hella aggressive sneaker cleaner right there. The, I think, Magic sneaker cleaner, they're aggressive as hell too. The last spot I went to, one of the massage guys was like, oh, you want a free sample? I'm like, what the hell? What the fuck is a free sample? I don't know. That was weird. But yeah, Chic, thank you so much for having these on sale. Man, these were just hella cheap. Holy crap. And yeah, and I'm gonna return my other one to Nike. Someone just mentioned on Instagram, time is money. Like, why would you go? I'm like, I make videos and I make money off these videos. Like, why wouldn't I return it? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna be at the outlets anyways. So, but yeah, man, did grab these. Did save a ton of money, and these are fire, dude, and I get full box. So that's pretty much about it. Yeah, make sure you help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new, subscribe, and we're done.